did the perfect turn.
No!
Out of the way. All I see is this blonde there go straight.
I didn't even know you were filming. Oh no!
I'm slowly drifting to you. So stars and planets are calling me. A billion years away from you. I'm on my way. I'm on. I'm on.
Oh, hurry up then. I don't know. I might go walk really jump. A bit laid back, I thought though, really good. Oh my. That's so fast. Woo! Look at this core lord. In the B-roll. We still gotta get poker. I have
Let's get on the road.
Yeah, let's just go, boys. Come on now.
24
We ain't playing
packs
cards
of
while we're
Sour Salt.
surfing. Come on now.
Why you play with my heart and I shall not consistently. I put my
Kind of a leaf.
starting after week.
Stop mugging, oi.
Yo, Tiki Starbucks right now.
No, you wouldn't have got stuck. You only got stuck in the sun.
Yeah, I know.
And there's vlog. You want to be flat, though?
Yeah, we want to be flat. Let's go check it out.
Maybe not, honestly. Oh my goodness, look at those waves! Oh, that, oh! Wow!
Lost it.
Hold my beer!
Oh, my bit, POV, you've come down.
We're doing a human second.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I just went in the fire.
It wouldn't go off my foot, so I like smack it like this, I smack it onto my other leg. I started crawling into my shorts. Knock knock. Where we at? Middle of nowhere.
Round two, baby. Round two.
Ready for a good time.
Morning, Kirk. About to get shocked, dude.
Oh, bro.
About to get shocked.
Went away for the weekend. Starting from a town in the East End. She says she doesn't know her feelings. Well, girl, just tell me what you're thinking.
This next one, this is it. The next one is it. Go, go, go. does, didn't he? Yeah. Josh, you just ran the clip, you knobber. Wow. Oh my God. Super. Look at this place. Wow. Oh my goodness, yeah. Good corn fire though. Oh no, he's going.
Coming cold and hot, I'm steaming. She said, can I call up and thinking? I said, I'm out with the boys drinking. I said, I'm out with the boys drinking. The green superintendent flies to the edge of the sky. Listen to him whisper, he's the king of surprise. Mr. Salty Big Calm, the good guy. Calling out your name, he don't need a reply.
Who's that, Aaron? Oh! Why did he make him so good? Oh! Oh, did he? What happened? No, I got that! What happened, Cook? Well, I look up, right? I see one wave. Right behind it is another wave. And I'm there with this moldy dude, and we look at each other, we make eye contact. And I'm like, how no? Oh, dude. Hey. But I can't eat with it when you're I love it. And there wasn't even anything to eat either, but